Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss a very interesting problem from quadratic equations, right? And here we have a problem uh, in which we have to find the minimum value, and the problem goes like this. If we have a is equal to x square plus 1 over x square and b is equal to x minus 1 over x, then we have to find the least value or the minimum value of this expression, that is a divided by b, right? So we have to find the minimum value of this quantity, that is a divided by b, right? So we can solve this problem by simple algebraic treatment, or we can also use the method of calculus, right? So let us first find out the value of this expression, that is a divided by b, right? So a is x square plus 1 over x square and b is x minus 1 over x, right? So now what we will do, we'll try to express x square plus 1 over x square as a perfect square, right? So we can write x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 plus 2, right? And here we have x minus 1 over x, right? So here we have added 2 and subtracted minus 2, right? So now this expression, that is x square plus 1 over x square minus 2, is x minus 1 over x whole square, and here we have 2, and in the denominator we have x minus 1 over x, right? Okay, now see, here we have a common term, that is x minus 1 over x. So let us take this term, that is x minus 1 over x, as alpha, right? So now this term, in terms of alpha, it becomes alpha square plus 2 divided by alpha, right? So now we can write a over b as alpha square over alpha plus 2 over alpha, that is equal to alpha plus 2 over alpha, right? So now we have obtained this expression, that is a over b is equal to alpha plus 2 over alpha, where alpha is given by x minus 1 over x. So as we have said in the beginning of this lecture, that this problem can be solved by two methods, right? One by the algebraic method and the other one is the method of calculus, right? So here we'll stick to the algebraic method, and here we'll make use of the GM inequality, right? So the arithmetic mean and geometric mean inequality can be used to solve this problem, right? So we were having this result, that is a over b is equal to alpha plus 2 over alpha, right? Now let us first quickly see the arithmetic mean and geometric mean inequality, right? Suppose we have two quantities a and b, then the arithmetic mean is given by a plus b over 2, and the geometric mean is given by the square root of the product of a and b, right? And the AMGM inequality says that a plus b over 2 is greater than or equal to the square root of the product of a and b, right? So this inequality says that the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to the geometric mean, right? So now what we will do, see, here we have two quantities, that is one is alpha and other is 2 over alpha, right? So what we will do, let us take a as alpha and b as 2 over alpha, right? And let us substitute the values of a and b in this inequality. So what we will get, a is alpha, so we have a plus b is alpha plus 2 over alpha divided by 2, and this is greater than or equal to square root of alpha times 2 over alpha, right? Now alpha plus 2 over alpha is a over b, right? So here we can write a over b, and here we have 2, and this is greater than or equal to alpha, and alpha get cancelled. So here we have square root of 2, right? Now multiplying square root of 2 by 2, will get a by b is greater than or equal to 2 times square root of 2, right? So now from this expression, we see that the value of a divided by b is either greater than or equal to 2 times square root of 2, right? And here in the problem, we have to find the minimum value of a over b, right? So the minimum value of a over b is equal to 2 times square root of 2, right, from this inequality. So viewers, this is how we can solve this problem.